Welcome! In front of me I have OnePlus Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called the Other. Once you find it, tap on it. Here, select the option called System Settings. And now find the option called Language. And once you find it, tap on it to open the list of languages. And here we can scroll through the list by swiping up and down on the screen. Now find the language you would like to use. And once you find the language, tap on it. And it's gonna be applied. As you can see, the language changed. And of course, once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.